Hi guys, this is Zuko here again, and I just took this trade on Gbpjpy, and it's really making some good progress so far. But then I want to show you guys why I took this trade, the idea behind this trade, so you understand what I was looking at before I took the trade. So let's go. So oftentimes when I analyze the market, I start from the higher time frame. The higher time frame I mean from the weekly, from the daily, but in this case I started from the weekly, right? Started from the weekly time frame, and one thing I did was to check out or look for what price is doing right in the weekly time frame. So one of the things we can notice right here is the fact that price has been going up, price is currently buying, right? So I put this in mind also while analyzing. So my overall idea is the fact that price is buying. Then I scale down to my daily time frame, right? Daily time frame right here. Now on the daily time frame, what did price show me? What is price printing? Right? Looking at this also, we've seen a higher high, a higher low right here, a new higher high, right? And we're expecting price to continue going up. Now what else did we notice? Instead of price to print a new high, instead of this low, this structural low to print a new high, it decided to fall back down. And one of the reasons why price does stuff like this is the fact that price has to liquidate some orders. So imagine somebody came into the market and took a buying position from here. Price just eventually come up, liquidated them. However, the idea still remains the same, and the idea is that price will eventually go up. Now we have the same trading idea for the weekly and for the daily. Now the next thing I do oftentimes is to check the 4-hour time frame. So I will check to see if price is in alignment with what the weekly and the daily is saying. So right here on the 4-hour time frame, what am I seeing? Right, what am I seeing? So on the 4-hour time frame, price is selling. Price has given me a lower low, a lower high, another lower low. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting a new lower low. However, at this point in price, I want price to buy. I am expecting a buy setup, but then price won't just buy. Price does one thing. Price plays a lot with liquidity, right? So it is your responsibility as a trader to spot out where you can find your liquidity. So for me, I believe my liquidity is at this green horizontal line I just drew right here, but then price has to go to that area. So one of the things I do was to come around here, still follow the same idea in the lower time frame, like in the lower spectrum of price, and in this case we're using a 4-hour. Now looking at this, price just cleared this liquidity over here, right? And it is selling. Why is it selling? Let me zoom this out a bit. It is selling so it can come and clear this liquidity down here, and after it does that, it will buy. And this is because price oftentimes seek for liquidity for it to continue or for it to go in a particular direction. Like I've always said, liquidity is the bloodline for price. So currently I am on this trade, right? And price is just having a little retracement. However, I'm expecting price to hit my take profit while I wait for a new buying setup so I can go along and buy with price also. So this is just the idea behind this trade, and it is quite easy and straightforward, guys. Okay, I'll give you guys an update after the trade has gone in the proposed direction I want it to go. See you guys. Bye for now. Hi guys, this is Zuko from the Life Forex Academy, and I'm just showing you guys an update from the trade we took on Gbpjpy. Right, so I took this trade on Gbpjpy having some ideas in mind: the bias, the structure, and liquidity. All these are simple concepts I put in place whenever I'm about taking a trade. So currently, the trade has hit my take profit, right? Because I used a very good broker that do not allow their slippage go way crazy, and so this is what it is, guys. The trade is just going so well. So the whole idea is just to show up every day and ensure that you do the same thing over and over again. That is how you build momentum consistently. So that's just it. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.